Hi there, welcome to my home and to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my bedroom here with you. I am a homebody, and something that I really love to do and enjoy, and of course share here with you on YouTube, is how I make the different spaces in my home feel special and just enjoyable for me. I spend a lot of time in my bedroom, so I want it to be a space not only where I'm relaxed and I feel cozy, but also one that I feel a little bit pampered in as well. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my bedroom feel just a little bit like a luxury hotel room. We are starting today with the most important thing in the bedroom, our beds. A good night's sleep starts with what you're sleeping on, and nothing says luxury like quality bedding and linens. My duvet and quilt are from Pottery Barn, including the duvet insert. Sure, you can find others that are comfortable and cozy that you love, but just in case you're interested in mine, I'll link it in the description below. When I think of luxury in the bedroom, the first thing that pops into my mind is the term beauty sleep. Beauty sleep is not just about getting a peaceful night's rest, but it's also about taking care of your hair and your skin while you're sleeping as well. So when it comes to luxury in the bedroom, I think your pillowcase is one of the most important things in your room because it is literally the thing that is touching your face the entire time you sleep, which for me is 8+ hours. Gotta have my sleep. I'm really like a 9-hour, 15-minute girl, okay? That's when I get my best sleep. So that's a long time, and it's really important that that's a material that's going to promote healthy hair and healthy skin and not damage those things. I want to share my personal favorite satin pillowcases that I use here with you today. They are made by the brand Kitsch. Kitsch was so nice enough to sponsor this video. I have been a Kitsch customer for years and years, so when they agreed to sponsor this video, I couldn't be happier because I was going to share this product with you regardless, but now I get to share it with you, and they gave us a really great discount code, which I will tell you about in just a minute. But first, I want to explain to you why I only sleep on satin every single night and all of the benefits. If someone asked me what has made the biggest, most consistent impact on my beauty routine, aside from skincare in my 30s, mid-30s, okay, mid to late 30s, I'll be 37 in a couple months, but that's not what this video is about. Okay, moving on. I would definitely say sleeping on satin pillowcases. Hands down. My hair is healthier, my skin is healthier. Satin is such a gentle material compared to others that it really takes care of your skin and hair while you sleep. Hair can break so easily when you sleep on other materials. If you are a face or side sleeper like I tend to be, it's also really gentle on your brows and your lashes too. So important stuff. Another huge benefit to sleeping on satin, it stays cool all night. I am the type of person, if I wake up in the middle of the night at all, I'm awake. And one thing that will wake me up is if my face is hot. Nothing is worse than like your face sweating or your face being hot on a pillowcase. So no more flipping that pillow over to the cool side because it's always the cool side. I am not the only believer. When I went to look these up, they've sold over 3 million of these pillowcases and have over 10,000 5-star reviews online, which I'm not surprised because I love them, but apparently I'm not the only one. As I mentioned earlier, Kitsch was kind enough to give us a code for 25% off their entire site on your first order. It is code Brittney. I will put it on the screen. I will put it in the description box. They come in both standard and king size, and I believe you can purchase them in a single 2-pack or a value 4-pack, which is a really great option. They ship not only to the US, but also to 27 different countries. So whether you are in the UK, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, you can enjoy their products. You can shop their site. So I'll leave the link. Next, I want to focus a bit on nightstand organization. A restful night in the bedroom is all about having everything you need at arm's reach. I have 2 nightstands in my room, and I'm going to show you what I store in each one so that I have everything I need and use regularly while I'm in bed. else I've done for myself to add a little bit of simple, cozy luxury to my space is add a mini library. I keep some of my current reads in the bottom of my second nightstand, and it's just so nice to have here right next to my sitting area. It really encourages me to take a moment, grab a book, and unwind. Since I have the space in my room, I like to store all my extra bed linens here. I know it's not always an option for everyone, as space can be limited, but having a designated spot to thoughtfully store those extra pillows, blankets, especially my weighted blanket that I love, and sheets make it so much easier to change them out. What is the most fun thing you can think about when you go stay in a luxury hotel room? Well, if you are like me, then it is the mini bar with all the good and best little treats. Now, this is something you absolutely don't have to do, but this video is about making your bedroom like a luxury hotel. And if you have the space to create a little coffee bar or beverage station, or even put a mini fridge like I have here into your room and enjoy it, I say do it. If you have the space in your primary suite, it is so easy to set up and maintain, and it's just fun to have that little late night snack right at your fingertips. Since my bedroom is upstairs and not at all close to the kitchen, I have added a little mini fridge in here, and it has been so convenient, especially when I want a late night snack or cold drink. I don't have to go downstairs and across the house to get it. I also have a coffee maker and tea kettle in here. I love a good cup of tea in the evenings, and it is so nice to be able to make right here in my bedroom if I want to. There are also two drawers in here. The first one I have stocked with some paper cups, napkins, utensils for snacks, straws, and a few of my favorite teas. The next drawer is where all the treats are. It's not a mini bar without candy, okay? So I keep candy and a few other favorite snacks in here. And yes, for those of you that are going to show up in the comment section and ask if I actually eat all of this candy, Yes, I do. Wash it down with some Pepsi. This is actually a restock of this candy drawer. I was down to like a payday bar and a couple of packs of crackers, okay? One simple way I like to add a little bit of elegance is by adding fresh flowers to your nightstands or your dressers. My aim for my bedside tables is to make them both functional and beautiful. I try to only keep things on top that I use nightly. I have a space for my glasses and a crystal trinket dish to store my jewelry. Another great way to elevate your space is by adding high quality candles that are poured into pretty vessels like this beautiful glass pink one from Anthropologie. I also like to keep my journal here so that I remember to write in it daily. On the other side, I have some of my favorite photos, a small sound machine that I use nightly, another candle that I love, a stand for my phone, and of course, a small fresh arrangement of roses when I can. Adding small decorative touches to the space can also take your bedroom from a simple place to go to sleep to a luxurious, restful experience. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here on my YouTube channel today. I hope you enjoyed organizing and decorating my bedroom with me and got a few tips on how to make your bedroom a little more like a luxury hotel suite, if that's what you're trying to do too. Thank you. I appreciate you. I know I already said that, but I really do, so it's worth saying it twice. I will see you again very soon with another video here on my channel. So if you enjoyed this one, please subscribe, hit the like button, say hello in the comments. I want to hear from you. I want to talk to you. And until next time, happy decorating!